It's the Aspiring Actors Guide to New York. Yeah.
What is up, party people? Today I'm coming at you live from... Wait. Hold that thought. Welcome to West Pennsylvania. Woo! Yeah. Welcome to Jennerstown, Pennsylvania, where I'm doing $1 Million Quartet at Mountain Playhouse. Just got out of rehearsal for the day, a little early, which I'm excited about. If you're going to be out near Pittsburgh, maybe come check out the show. We'll be open, I think, July 10th through the 29th. Technically, I think July 10th is a preview, but come on down. Love to have you. I'm sorry, this week I don't have any dogs or wine. I'm here in Pennsylvania. The dogs are up in New York. I would say with Ginny, but Ginny's actually in Minnesota. So shout out to Christo and Brianna for dog sitting for us. Appreciate you. Today we're talking about what to invest in for self-submissions. Sometimes maybe you're living in New York and there's an audition in LA that interests you. Or you're out on a regional gig like I am right now and you get a call back and you say, hey, I'm not in town, can I submit? And they say, sure. In which case they're going to want you to record yourself on a device like this one and send them a recording. Now you can just take a video on your phone, but if you want to up the quality and up the chances of you getting the part, here are some things that I recommend investing in. Number one, first what you're going to need is you're going to need a tripod or something to attach your phone to if you're just recording on your phone. You can get a pretty cheap one, like the one I have right now is from Amazon. It's just an Amazon Basics tripod. Or you can get like one of those foldy mabobs, like the Gorilla, the Mobi Gorilla Pro or whatever. I'll link to all of the things I'm talking about in the doobly-doo. I may have the wrong name for them all. Two, you may want to invest in a camera. You can just shoot on your iPhone or Android or whatever you use. I'm an iPhone guy. Sorry to the Android users. But the quality of video that you can get on your phone nowadays is actually pretty stellar. One thing I would invest in is a wide-angle lens to attach to your camera. You can buy like these clip-on lenses and you're good to go. Or you can get a fancy case that has a little screw-on lens. You can swap out different lenses. Maybe you're super interested in photography and you want to get a telephoto lens too. I don't know. But 10 out of 10, do recommend at least getting a wide-angle lens for your camera. Maybe you want to get fancy and you want to get a DSLR. The two models that I would recommend if you're just getting into it are the Canon Rebel, maybe I think the T6 or T7i is what we've gotten up to. I'm still shooting on a T2i. Big fan of it, but downside is I've got like a 12-minute cap on anything I can tape. So sometimes I'm having to string things together. Or the Canon 80D is the camera that I would like to upgrade to at some point. Yeah, then you can experiment with a couple different lenses and really get some top quality footage. Number three, got to get a light of some sort, or you have to be well lit for your videos. You can do that a couple different ways. You can get away with going to your hardware store, buying some desk lamps, some cool temperature bulbs, getting some diffusion paper, and clothes pinning that paper over top of the lights so it's not so harsh. You'll be good to go with that. But if you want to be one step better, I would recommend LED lights from Neewer that I got for my camera for like 30 bucks. Great lights. You could also, if go big or go home, the one that I'm using on my camera right now is 144 LEDs. The one that I have at my desk at home that I use in tandem with this one when I'm doing a 2-point lighting system has, I think, 400 LEDs. And I'll link to that one as well. If you have a bigger light source, your shadows aren't going to be as drastic. So depending on what you're lighting, you may want something bigger. You know, go big or go home. Even if your budget is small, I do recommend getting a light of some sort. Dang it, I lit a fire so it'd be going in the background, and it looks like it's kind of gone out, which is disappointing. I thought I did a good job. Apparently not. Finally, number 4, audio. Your onboard microphone on your phone and your onboard microphone on your DSLR are not going to cut it for audio. Highly recommend getting some kind of shotgun mic The one that I'm using right now, not a huge fan of. Every once in a while, it like just kind of cuts out and gives me like a really bad sound over top of everything I'm doing. Don't like that. The ones that I found that work really well that I haven't actually invested in yet, the Rode video mics. There are a couple different models you can get. There's the Rode Video Micro, just the Rode Video Mic, and then the Rode Video Mic Pro. Big fan of those mics. Gonna be getting one of those in the near future. Just haven't pulled the trigger on it yet. Other things you can invest in, but that's kind of the bare minimum that I would recommend investing in so that you can have good quality audio and good quality video for your submissions. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'll be releasing new videos like this every Theater Thursday at 3. Tune in next week when we'll discuss how to stage and how to set up your self-submission. Just going off the back of this video. Thanks for coming out, guys. Chase your dreams. Cheers.